Hello and welcome to this course on basics of Facebook marketing. This is a basic level course on marketing on Facebook. My name is Giri and I shall be your tutor for this course. In this introduction lecture, the following subjects will be covered. First, a very brief outline of this course. Then the structure of this course to give you an idea on the subjects that will be covered in this course. Let me introduce myself. My name is Girijan. Everyone calls me Giri. It is easier to pronounce. I am an engineer by profession. I am very passionate about digital marketing and I am a humble student of this vast subject. You know, digital marketing is evolving fast and methods and procedures relevant now are out of date within short time frames. I have been working and researching in this field since last 2 years. There are a number of platforms used for marketing on the digital channels. Facebook is my favorite from the lot. I am fascinated by the path-breaking changes that Facebook is continuously making to improve its marketing potentials. Many of you may be unaware of these changes, and I intend to bring them to your attention through this course, then make you apply them in your business for optimizing your marketing efforts. My number one goal of this course is to make you a better user of Facebook for business. I hope you achieve that goal at the end of this course. I know that when I share my knowledge with you all, either through a course or my blog, in the process, I am learning more on the subject. I used to work in the administration section of a business group of companies located in Mumbai. This group also had a SEO firm which was handling SEO projects since 2009. Now I work from home and besides doing research, I do active blogging. As I said earlier, this is a basic level course and is intended for students who are new to the subject. Facebook has been in the domain of online marketing for quite some time now. But if you look at it more closely, it is presently going through a huge changeover process. Experts believe Facebook was waiting for Google to stop pursuing Google Plus to start asserting its dominance in online advertising industry. The competition between Google and Facebook in the online industry is well known. It is common knowledge that Google Plus was launched to counter Facebook. So when Google officially announced the slowing down of Google Plus, Facebook started actively asserting its might in the digital marketing industry with new tools and functionalities. Both Facebook and Google have grown to become giants in digital marketing. Every step taken by each is minutely noted, analyzed, and countered by the other. Their battles are not confined to the online world, but are spilled over to other areas like patenting, acquisitions, etc. Invariably, this competition is providing their users better experiences and opportunities from both these platforms. Facebook is on an upward swing now. Therefore, it is the best time to learn Facebook marketing. Besides my telling you, I think if you observe daily news on the internet about Facebook, you will be convinced. So dear students, for those who are new to the subject, this is the right time to learn more about Facebook marketing. I shall try my best to provide value for your time and effort in pursuing this course. Opening of a Facebook business page, starting a model campaign, studying target audiences, and also looking at why do businesses fail on marketing on Facebook are some topics which will be covered in this course. I shall also give you an overall position of Facebook, like its importance in digital marketing, some exciting statistical figures, etc. during this course. Besides this, I shall be adding new lectures to this course in future with up-to-date subjects which can be beneficial to my students. Now I have structured the course starting with a lecture on the importance of marketing on Facebook. Further, we shall go through a few important statistics of Facebook. I am certain this will make you realize the critical role that Facebook plays in digital marketing. I also intend to cover 6 core goals that every brand need to set up before starting a Facebook campaign. I shall briefly cover the setting up of a business page on Facebook in this course. A brief on making a Facebook marketing plan will also be introduced in this course. A brief discussion on the subject of advertising on Facebook will also be covered, which is an important subject. In subsequent lectures, we shall also discuss why brands fail in their marketing efforts on Facebook. In addition, I intend to add new lectures at some intervals and expand this course in future. This will be on new developments which may come to my notice and which I am sure will help all my students in keeping themselves updated. I shall appreciate if you provide me with your suggestions or improvements on this course so that I can redo or add new lectures based on your inputs. This will improve and add value to my course, and this is exactly how I want my course to be. I sincerely hope to give students the best value for their time and effort they invest in this course, and I shall be more than happy to work really hard to achieve that. As I said earlier, this course is for those who are new to the subject. This course will be useful to those who aspire to learn about the basics of Facebook platform. Many of you may still be viewing Facebook as an online club of friends and relatives who share their memories, photos, views, and experiences. Even though to some extent that is true, Facebook now has grown to a huge platform of over 1.5 billion users over a period of a month. This course will benefit those who would like to learn the basics on how to promote their brand on Facebook. Facebook is a rich gold mine for any marketer to enter into. So this course will also help those who would like to use Facebook to build a strong social presence in their niche market. To take advantage of Facebook's huge database, almost all major brands have already put their might in marketing on Facebook now. It has become one of the top social media platforms for digital marketers today. So marketers need to know that Facebook will get more targeted traffic to their site. This course may not help those who have good knowledge about Facebook and its marketing capabilities. Now, before ending this lecture, let me tell you that I believe there is no better way of learning than through active discussion. Udemy is a rich and resourceful platform to do just that. I believe that in the process of teaching you, I shall also be gaining a lot of insight on the subject from you. In order to do that, I want you to share your views and ideas on Udemy platform so that it becomes lively and a true learning experience to all my students. With that spirit, let me request you to do the following. First and foremost, You may contact me through the message board or PM me through Udemy messaging system for any doubts, clarification or explanation regarding this course. This may help other students who may have the same doubt and will not have to go through that process again. Last but not the least, I shall be glad if you appreciate my efforts and put an honest review after you complete the course partially or fully. Thanks for patiently listening to this lecture. Have a good day. Meet you in my next lecture. Thank you.